Welcome to a tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to generate barcode labels for your products, locations, and employees. Before generating the labels, please check that you have installed the barcode label printer driver into your computer and you have configured the printer and label settings. Once you have done so, let's get started. As the steps to generate the labels are the same for all, we will be using the product labels for the tutorial. Click In Premise and select Print Labels. There are three options for the product labels. Label 1 is used to print the product ID and description, with the option to include remarks and product expiry date. Label 2 is used to print the product ID, description, and batch or serial number, and the option to include remarks and product expiry date. Label 3 is used to print the QR code for the product catalog with the option to include remarks. Let's take a look at Label 1. Before generating the barcode label, you need to identify the product ID. You can also search for a group of product IDs by product brand, product type, and product class. Once you have made your selection, click View. If you want to print the labels for all the products listed, click on the Select All button. If you want to print selected labels only, click on the respective checkboxes. Add the expiry date and remarks if any. Click Generate Label and a pop-up window will appear. Select your preferred label size, barcode width, and text font size. Click Change to apply the changes. Click Print Label and the barcode label image file will be generated. To send the barcode label image file for printing, do a right-click and select Print. Remember to select the correct printer name and label size before printing. Now that you have learned how to generate and print your product barcode labels, follow the same steps for the location and employee labels. Once all the labels are printed, you can paste the labels onto your products, shelves, or employee cards. Once you are done, you are now ready to start tracking your inventory. View the next video to learn how to perform your check-in transactions. Thank you for watching!